Hello, my name is Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Reproductive System, Part 6. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Mucous membrane that lines the uterus undergoes cyclical changes during menstrual cycle. A. Germ layer. B. Endometrium. C. Chorion. D. Amniotic fluid. And the answer is B. Endometrium. The fluid that surrounds the developing fetus in the uterus. It acts as a shock absorber. A. Germ layer. B. Endometrium. C. Chorion. D. Amniotic fluid. And the answer is D. Amniotic fluid. Outermost membrane surrounding the embryo involved in placenta formation. A. Germ layer. B. Endometrium. C. Chorion. D. Amniotic fluid. And the answer is C. Chorion. A portion of the group of cells capable of developing into various different tissues and organs of a new individual. Cells in the human blastocyte arrange themselves in 3 layers and give rise to the following tissues. Ectoderm will give the skin, hair, nails, and the mesoderm will develop into the muscles, skeleton, kidneys. Endoderm will give the lining of the alimentary canal, trachea, and bronchi. A. Germ layer. B. Endometrium. C. Chorion. D. Amniotic fluid. And the answer is A. Germ layer. A yellow body that develops in the ovary after the rupture of the Graafian follicle, that is ovulation. It is a source of progesterone, persists if pregnancy has occurred. A. Fetus. B. Diproblastic. C. Corpus luteum. D. Birth or patriation. And the answer is C. Corpus luteum. Developing embryo with the appearance of a fully developed animal. In human, from 8 weeks after fertilization until birth. A. Fetus. B. Diploblastic. C. Corpus luteum. D. Birth parturition. And the answer is A, fetus. Embryo having two primary germ layers, i.e. ectoderm and endoderm. A, fetus. B, diploblastic. C, corpus luteum. D, birth parturition. And the answer is B, diploplastic. The process of bringing a newborn into the world occurs in three stages. A, fetus. B, diploblastic. C, corpus luteum. D, birth parturition. And the answer is D, birth or parturition. The loose skin that covers the end of the penis, removed during circumcision. A, blastocyte. B, foreskin. C, condom. D, family planning. And the answer is B, foreskin. Using birth control methods, that is contraception, to plan the number of children in a family. A, blastocyte. B, foreskin. C, condom. D, family planning. And the answer is D, family planning. A rubber-like sheath worn by males over the erect penis, by females inserted into the vagina before sexual intercourse to prevent sperm entering the female vagina. It is a barrier method of contraception. A, blastocyte. B, foreskin. C, condom. D, family planning. And the answer is C, condom. A hollow fluid-filled sphere of cells that develops from the mollula, attached to the inner surface of the outer layer of cells, tropoplast, in an inner mass of cells from which the embryo develops. A, blastocyte. B, foreskin. C, condom. D, family planning. And the answer is A, blastocyte. The forcible injection of seminal fluid. A, Graafian follicle. B, clitoris. C. Ejaculation. D. Fertilization. And the answer is C. Ejaculation. Fluid-filled vesicle in ovary of female mammal containing an egg. A. Graphian follicle. B. Clitoris. C. Ejaculation. D. Fertilization. And the answer is A. Graphian follicle. Small internal erectile structure of the female mammalian genitals, similar in structure and position, i.e. homologous to male penis. A. Graphian follicle. B. Clitoris. C. Ejaculation. D. Fertilization. And the answer is C. B. Clitoris. The union of a haploid male gamete nucleus with a haploid female gamete nucleus resulting in the formation of a diploid zygote. In the human female, this occurs about halfway along the fallopian tubule. A. Graphian follicle. B. Clitoris. C. Ejaculation. D. Fertilization. And the answer is D. Fertilization. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to Human Reproductive System Part 6. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.